This is how you can easily change the keyboard presets in Filmora. If you're coming from other software like Adobe Premiere Pro or maybe Apple Final Cut Pro, then you can make the shortcuts in Filmora to behave the same way as in those software. Now what you need to do is you have to navigate to the file menu right here and then go to keyboard shortcuts, and then you will see this box. Now there are many shortcuts available in Filmora, and you can even customize the shortcut to a new shortcut that you prefer. But if you want to switch to a different preset, then you can click on this menu, and then you'll see that there are two options. There is Adobe Premiere Pro and also Apple Final Cut Pro. Now you can choose any of these and the shortcuts or the presets would be applied instantly. So if I click Adobe Premiere Pro, you'll see that there are some changes in the setting. If I switch to Apple Final Cut Pro, then you'll see the shortcut will be different as well. And once you're done, you can click OK, and the shortcut settings will be applied instantly. There is no need to restart the program. And if you wish to go back, you can always go to File again, keyboard shortcuts, and then change the preset to the profile that you prefer. So yeah, that's basically how you can change the keyboard shortcut presets in Filmora. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.